Yeah, we got ourselves a new toy for the backyard arsenal. We have the Asmoke Essential Portable Pellet Grill. Guys, this thing is battery powered. That's right, no need for cords or power outlets or anything like that. As this thing is a small but mighty package. And today we're gonna smoke and grill a chicken. We've spatchcocked the chicken and we're gonna give it all that good smoke till it comes up to temperature. And then we're gonna raise up the temps in that Asmoke, move that little sear plate over so we get some fire running through there. And then we're just gonna sear the outside of the top of the chicken here and give it that jailbird look. Get a little barbecue sauce on there. It's gonna be amazing. Guys, you're not gonna miss this one. Stick around to the end. If you wanna get one of these Asmoke Essentials, I'll have a link down below. Make sure you click on it.
The battery power on this thing lasts up to 10 hours.
So it's perfect for a cook like this with the chicken. It's going to take less than an hour. The Asmoke Essential is 37 pounds, so it's pretty light to carry around. I have no problem moving it from the backyard to the tailgate, any of that stuff. It has 8-in-1 grilling modes in there, so you can walk through that app with ease and find exactly what you're trying to cook and set it, forget it. That sear plate makes it so you can grill and smoke on there. It has a 5-pound removable hopper. Now we threw some of their applewood pellets in there from Asmoke. They sent a bag of pellets, so I figured I'd use it with it. So this chicken's gonna turn out amazing. I know it already. But with spatchcocking the chicken, we cut out the backbone and then we go ahead and flip it over, press it down, give it a little CPR, make it a nice, flat, even cooking bird. After that, I put a little olive oil on there for a little binder, and then just season it up with a little chicken barbecue rub on there. Pretty simple so far, right? This is a simple dish, but it's gonna have great flavor at the time we're done, right? Right. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get this outside. Smoke is already rolling out there. Then we'll put the temperature probe in the bird, and then the app will tell us when it's done. But we're gonna take it to 165, and then, like I said, give it that nice sear, and we'll be good to go. All right, it's gonna be a good one, guys. Stick around. Got pellets in the hopper. It's turned on. Roasting a chicken.
The water in the ash pan in.
Grate's all set. Now we're just gonna let that smoke start rolling. All right, team, we are up to temp in there. Beautiful birdie on there. Got the applewood pellets. Shut this down, give it a nice smoke bath. We'll check on it when it's done. All right, team, we are temping out right about 150, 155, give or take. So we're gonna take this bird off real quick. All right, set it aside. So we're gonna fire this bad boy up, take it all the way up. We want some good grill marks on there, so 500 degrees is the top spot. Sorry, I got a little bit of a reflection on there. So we're gonna let that come up to temp, and then we're gonna sear the skin side of the bird and then sauce it up, and we'll call it a day. Okay, team, we've got this thing up to 500 degrees. Let's get our bird on. Whoa, just flop it on there. Sear plates open. Get plenty of heat on that bird. I'm gonna give it some pressure on there. Make sure it's got plenty of contact. Using a little cotton lined glove underneath this, so it's protecting my hand. It is hot, so be careful. Let that go for about a minute or two. All right, we flipped it over. Gave it the old college try with the stripes, but I didn't quite set it up right. But it's still a good looking bird no matter what. So let's get it sauced up and we'll give it a try. All right, we got a little barbecue sauce here. We're just gonna go over the top of it. I'm gonna use a brush to kind of smooth it out. We'll use this little brush. Just get it all kind of worked over. Give it that nice extra flavor. Beautiful glossy shine. Once we get this sauced up, I'm gonna shut the lid. I've turned off the grill. It's just got that little last minute fan going right now to kind of put out the heat. But I'm gonna shut this and just let that residual heat kind of set that sauce. And we'll have a nice, beautiful birdie that we can all enjoy, baby. Yeah, our birdie's done. Looking all glistening and barbecuey. The jail stripes didn't quite work out like I was thinking, but that's okay. It's a brand new grill. You know, still getting used to it. Yeah, I am digging this Asmoke Essential grill. I love that it's portable. I love that it's battery powered, so I don't have to worry about finding a hookup anywhere, right? Look for more cooks on my channel. with this badass grill. You guys want to get one, links down below. But I'm about to get down on this bird. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.